I just looked through my entire playlist of Dust Deputy mobile cart tower, whatever I was calling it. Those videos were 5 years ago. Well, almost 5 years ago. Obviously, I look a little different now. And I realized I made 7 videos that I put on YouTube. They got a few views, but I'm not trying to be famous or anything. 536 people looked at one of them. I thought that was pretty kind of neat. Anyway, I finished that project that I was highlighting in that video way back then and never actually put a video out that showed the finished thing. I just talked about it once. Well, that's boring. So here it is, finished. The Shop Vac Dust Deputy Tower. I call it that because it goes up and I'm clever.